to the next startup, which is Matthias. Is he here? Ah, here he is. Okay, very good. And you will talk about machine learning, etc., right?
Good evening, first of all, and thank you, Thomas, for having me. First of all, my name is Matthias. I'm the co-founder and managing consultant of Machine Learning Architects Basel, in short MLAB. To clarify something, we're not a software company, so this is not a software pitch. We're actually addressing technology challenges with a more service-based approach. And to clarify something else, we're not for sale right now. Anyways, I have 5 minutes, so what's our story? Basically, me personally, I've been working in technology and IT consulting for about 10 years now, and along the way, I've met other people that have been doing that even longer than me. So what we did in the past is basically in earlier days of the digitalization to assure service level objectives of business critical software systems. Imagine e-banking software, if you want to log into your mobile banking, it shouldn't crash. All the way through navigating through different game changers such as DevOps, cloud, data, machine learning, to, in the end, leveraging our experience and knowledge to designing something that we call a digital highway to continuously deliver reliable digital solutions. Now, who and what are we? Basically, that triangle turned out very small in terms of the font size. Anyways, that's not the point. Yes, we are part of the Swiss network, and the pitch is more about the cell in the top right corner. So what is MLAB? From a legal perspective, it's a limited liability company based in Basel as well. From a market-based approach, it's actually it's a consulting company that supports customers with different consulting, engineering, and training services all around data and AI. Now, actually, it's not all around data and AI, because what problem do we actually solve? And question to you, do you need another data and AI consulting company? Well, what's the story here? So, our expertise is not really about, developing the latest algorithms, training models, or it's also not about classic data analytics or BI. It's rather about deploying, scaling, and ensuring stability of business critical systems, including AI services and ML models. So, that turned out weird again. Is that about tech? The event says it is, so let's talk about technology. First of all, some of you might come from software engineering, so there are a couple of people familiar with the challenges around DevOps. Some of you come from the data and AI space, so more familiar with data and ML challenges. The beauty and the fascination of MLOps is that it inherits all of these challenges. And there's one of our favorite articles called Hidden Debt of Machine Learning Systems that nicely illustrates how you can barely see it, but the ML code, so all these very fancy algorithms, are just a very small piece in a larger puzzle. Now, it is also about tooling, but the tooling all around that, and not only about the ML code and the model. So, apart from tooling, what about people, roles, skills, processes, and culture? Yes, heavy slide again. Basically, for us, MLOps, just like DevOps, it's also an engineering culture and practice that unifies both system development and system operations, right? And it's also about the end-to-end life cycle of software code, data, and ML models. So in that sense, it's also about the collaboration between a lot of different people. It's about the collaboration between different roles. You can see a couple of them, actually a lot of them on the slide, and all of their challenges to manage this end-to-end life cycle, especially when we talk about systems that go in production, that want to be managed continuously delivered, and have quality assured. So the question remains, how can we help these people? And that's what we came up with. It's something that we call the digital highway. So basically, what does this represent? It's sort of a blueprint that tries to capture the different capabilities, the different roles, and the different skills that you need to, just like in software, bring code all the way from the left to the right into production, and at the same time ensure quality and stability, and what it's all about, to manage end-user expectations and ensure that software or ML algorithms like prediction services do what they're expected to do. Now, who are we? Basically, coming from that background of software quality assurance, DevOps, I had to put together a team of obviously different skills. So you need software skills, you need DevOps skills, but you also need data and ML skills. So I'm very happy about having these people with me, and I'm also very happy about being part of the SysDig network as an accelerator, and basically having that as an enabler on the vision to, yes, support our customers to implement that digital highway. Now, we have a full-blown version of this digital highway, and it can blow you away one way or the other. I'm not going to do that right now. If you want to know more about that, give me another pitch talk. Or come find me and Flavio, who's also here with me today. We can have a beer and talk about that later. Otherwise, thank you very much for having me. And you will also see the other means of options to contact us.